Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G50, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS launcher on this Android. Start by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Now type iOS launcher and download this free launcher app from this developer. Following that, choose Open. Now you need to wait for pop-ups to show up, and when they do, click Allow in them. Over here you need to select Home button, choose iOS launcher, tap on Always, click Got it, and as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. You can always go back into the default one by simply uninstalling iOS launcher app, but you don't have to do that actually, because you can always go into Settings, tap on Apps and Notifications, choose Advanced, click on Default Apps and tap on Home app. Now select Moto 1, and as you can see, now my Android launcher is back, but you can always go back into the iOS one by tapping on it here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!